Now this is not your typical handheld fan YouTube video. There's so much more. Welcome to JisuLife Handheld Fan Ultra 2. This thing's sick. It's got a flashlight, it's got a fire starter in it, 100 freaking adjustable wind speed levels. This thing is no joke, brother. So I'm gonna take this thing, I'm gonna unbox it. The world's #1 portable fan brand. We'll see about that. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Cool. We got a little beep, beep, beep. I like it. We got a little beep, beep, beep. A little hair. I don't know, like a fine little, like a little crack cleaner. I don't know. We got a little, like a super narrow one for like also cleaning, I guess, like little areas. I don't know, whatever. And then the pressure nozzle. If you want maximum pressure, baby, that's the one. This one will probably freaking blow your eye out. Be careful. Don't point it at your face. 100 wind speed. Okay, and what do we have in the accessory box? Is this like a silencer? I don't understand. Oh, it's a brush. It's another attachment. Ooh. We have a Type-C to Type-C cable, decently long. It has a little dongle attached to it in case you don't have a Type-C block. Got a little lanyard, that's cute. It says JisuLife on there, gray. Nice heavy metal, that's cool. Heavy metal, yes. Okay, we also have a tool. I guess this is probably to like take it apart. It looks like a little Allen key, like a really small one. Oh, I like it. You know what it reminds me of? Like, it reminds me of like those Dyson like hair dryers, or like the little Dyson fans. That's cool. Whoa, this thing's got like a magazine on it. It kind of feels like a portable battery or like a hard drive, sort of. It's nice. The other fan that we had, the handle was kind of skinny, but I have big hands, so this like this wide part down here is nice. And that also means there's probably room for big battery. They said don't look directly into it, looks directly into it. That's cool. I guess the flashlight's on the back. And then you have your Type-C charging port on the back. You have the part where the lanyard goes in. And now we're protected. We have the strap. And now we're safe. I think this is the power button. There's a power button right here, and I think this is the flashlight button, looks like. So let's turn the power on. It's got battery percentage on the front. It's got a little screen in the fan. It says 33%. 33%. And then flashlight. Okay, we have dim, we have medium, we have maximum bright, and we have strobe. And then off. Nice. Okay. What other feature can we test? I guess I'll like try and charge my phone. I have phone here, and I plug cord that is provided in the box into here. Cool. Hopefully the fan doesn't start randomly and blow my whole phone away. See if it charges. Hey, let's go. No tricks of the trade, no tricks of the editing. That's it. It's just this. That's pretty cool. I guess we test out the wind now. Low. And then there's just a little dial that you just keep increasing strength. How fast does it go? It's literally starting to push my hand back. I'm going max strength. It's max. A clean keyboard. See any dust? Oh yeah, there's dust everywhere now. Oh yeah, I made a big mess. Just blow it over there in that corner, it'll be fine. Oh yeah, that's good. I mean, it's pretty strong. Like, can I just like blow this stuff off the desk? It did the book. Nice, dude. What else do I have? Can it do the cord? Come on. Come on. Get off my fucking desk. Get off. Get off. Let's go. Can I blow my phone? No, too heavy. Hey, that's not bad, dude. Let's go. And it's still just going. I'm just gonna leave it like this for a while and just see if it gets hot or something. I don't know. Oh, there's another accessory box. It was hidden. Wait, did they include the block? Did I try and talk smack? No. Smack rightfully deserved. It's not a block. But it's a little cute little carrying case. That's cute. Why did I point that right in my face? Okay, let's see how much battery percentage we have now. 29%. That's pretty good, dude. I charged my phone for a minute. I did full strength fan for like a pretty solid amount of time. There's also no safety lock like there is for the other fan, so you can just like leave it running forever, I guess. Maybe there is, it's just maybe a little bit longer. But 100 different wind speeds, you can feel them, dude. I was clicking them up one at a time. Did you hear it like ramping up like a freaking jet turbine? That was so cool. I mean, it is a turbine, technically, like it's fan turbine, you know? You know what I mean? But yeah, that's all the features, that's all the specs. You get what you get, and you don't throw a fit, okay? All right. What's up? It's your boy. We're using the Wolf box. We're making a carpet. I don't know if you guys have seen the rug making video yet, but we're making a rug and it's got a bunch of dust and stuff. So we're gonna go outside, we're gonna use it real quick because we use this thing all the time. We were gonna take it to SeaWorld, but then I spilled beverage on it at SeaWorld, so I thought I broke it, but then turns out it's fine. We just had to let it dry out. So we're just gonna use it here for this project, but you can use it for all kinds of stuff. I use it sometimes when I'm cutting the lawn. I just like have it in my pocket. Anyways, let's get it done. I like cleaning keyboards with it too. I always go just full strength, man. Piss off the flies. I wonder what that felt like for the fly. Is it like a tornado? It's tornado season. Alright. Anyways, yeah, I use this thing all the time, so smash like, subscribe, and then buy one.